Welcome back to the channel. It's D here. It's August 8th, I want to say. I just picked up this freshie, brand new 2023 YZ250F. It was just an impulse buy, taking a chance on it. Bought it off a buddy. It had 2 hours off it. Leo sold it to me, and I just wanted to give you my first impression of this 250F. I'm at Crow Hill today. It's the track was mint. Just checking the bike out with a couple buddies, Leo and Jordan. Gonna do a couple laps. Things I noticed about this bike I'm gonna mention, and things I like and things I'm figuring out the more I ride it. But this is my first ride, and this bike has a tall seat from Guts, Phantom Foam, and 7mm lower foot peg brackets, and 5mm lower Raptor pegs, and 5mm back on the same peg. So just so you know, I'm 5'11", 170 pounds, more legs than anything, and this cockpit feels perfect. Like I can't ask for anything better. Leo set it up, so I'm just going with the flow, and I haven't ridden a stalker without that stuff, but I just feel at home on this bike. Anyway, we're doing some laps here with Jordan here on my left, messing around. What I noticed about this bike is for a 250F, it's got some bottom. It pulls really good. I was bogging it in some tight turns. I'll show you when they come up, like the one after here. So this left-hander, it's not crazy tight, but I'd bog it here. Obviously in this video I didn't, and it's jumping this, but I was trying to readapt to a 250F because I currently ride a Husqvarna YZ250, so it's a different breed. Everything's different. But anyway, my settings are, or should I start off by saying I'm very impressed by this bike, how comfortable I was, like, from the get-go. Things I did for changes, just so you know, maybe help you dial yours in faster or speed it up. I set the sag at 105, and I came way out on compression, front and rear. I left the rebound where they came stock. I didn't even check them, to be honest. And the fork tubes are at the first line. Handlebar setups are at the back hole, the closest to the fuel tank, and the mounts are in the forward position, so it gave it a real, like, neutral feel for me. And I'm running the stock bars, ODI grips, and pretty much everything is stock. So this is a monster edition. I don't even know what the difference is, but I think it's just the black plastics, blue wheels, whatever. Bike is real flickable in the air on those kind of jumps, and man, I had a blast on this thing. I'm pretty stoked. I'm very, like I said, it was an impulse buy. I have zero regrets. So things I noticed was I was trying to get rear traction on the bike, and the sag made a world of difference. I came out to 1.5 on the high speed compression for the shock. That also helped, because I had a couple of slippery sections here from them watering, and I noticed when I did that, it made a huge difference. So that being said, after toying with it, I tried a different map. If you're interested in maps, I know Chris Kiefer has on his website a good couple maps. I tried the free map, and I love it. So I asked him on email, and he said everybody loves that one. I tried it, and I didn't even try the high rev map or anything else. So I'm running the Kiefer free field map. It takes a lot of the engine braking away. If you want to see a picture of the view, I can send you that at the end of the video. I'll post the screenshot of it from my phone. But that's what I'm doing. Everything else is just as normal. Bike rips. It's got a good confident, sturdy feel to it. We tighten the headset so you don't get any head shake. It carves the turns great. I don't know, I highly recommend this bike, and I love my Husky too, so don't get me wrong, but this thing is unbelievable. The power is right there. I'm running stock sprockets, so it's got a rear 50 on it. I'm gonna leave it. I think I'm gonna leave it and race it like that. So things that were foreign to me on this bike, how you open up the compartments to the gas cap, and air filter. They're hard as hell, but it feels like you're gonna break it. But you know, filling it up with fuel, it's like in the middle of the seat, kind of funny. And changing the air filter is in the middle or the front of the seat where the gas cap is. That's weird. The air filter is like a flat, like triangle, Bermuda triangle. It's like a flat piece of foam. You probably can make it out of a seat filter, but that's a joke. But the only thing that stinks is when you take it out is stuff that could fall down. So you gotta make sure that does not happen. Obviously, there's dirt and it's just gonna kill your piston. What else did I notice about this thing? Brakes were awesome. Front and rear had some emergency stops I had to make. It held right up. It shifts really easy. I noticed compared to like the Austrian bikes, the gear shifting is really easy. I like the cable clutch. I'm not gonna lie. I'm used to a hydraulic clutch, but the cable clutch just seems to give me a little more feel. I actually like it. I know that's crazy. I'm probably not hearing I was saying that, but I like that. And pretty much the way that you can grip the bike. I don't know if it's because I put those lower mounts and foot pegs on, but I can actually grip this bike with my knees a lot more than I do my Husky. That's key, because I have a shitty ride posture. I gotta work on that. Hopefully this is my tool to help you. So, if you have any questions about this bike, just reach out to me. I'm gonna be riding it next week with some fast guys. I'll post them on YouTube. Some updates, but this thing is sick. I recommend you ride a friend's, check it out. But I'm blown away. I'm very impressed. I'm not selling the Yamaha. I haven't been on a Yamaha since 2002, to be honest. I love my 2002, but this thing is fun. Super fun, flickable. I'm gonna try it out in the woods and give you another overview of my findings or changing from some suspension stuff, maybe go out on the rebound, but it was awesome. I'm having fun, so what I was gonna do, just check the channel or whatever, but anyway, like and subscribe to the channel, and catch you at the next.